channel. Today I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies from Joanna Gains' cookbook called Magnolia Table. If you don't already have this cookbook, you have to go get it. It is so good and worth every penny. I've made quite a few recipes out of here and I've just been so happy with it. I think I've liked almost every one of them. But this recipe that I'm making today is the chocolate chip cookie recipe. And the recipe that I'm making today is this chocolate chip cookie recipe, and these are so good. My family loves them. They are just so popular and they're really simple to make, and I just love them. So I thought this would be perfect for my first recipe, would be to make these cookies. So I've got everything all measured out here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and explain what I'm doing and just mix it all up and bake these yummy cookies. So the first thing that we're gonna do is, well actually the first thing it says to do is to position a rack in the center of the oven and preheat the oven to 350. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. So I'm not gonna do that because I don't have, well, the parchment paper, I don't have that, so I'm not gonna do that part. I'm just gonna go ahead and start my oven at 350. While that heats up, I am going to do the first step. So in a medium bowl, we're gonna whisk together, we're gonna do the dry ingredients first in a medium bowl. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my bowl. Okay, so I have my bowl. This is going to be for the dry ingredients. I've got my mixer over here, my KitchenAid, which I just love my KitchenAid. You gotta have one if you don't have one already. This is something you have to get for your kitchen. It's like so handy. There's so many things you can make in it. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and whisk together our dry ingredients. So the first thing that we have is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to put that in there. And then the next ingredient, so basically we're doing all the dry ingredients right now, so the flour, baking soda, and the salt. So we're going to do 1 heaping teaspoon of baking soda, and our salt is 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and that's it for the dry ingredients. So we're going to go ahead and whisk this up. So 8 tablespoons. And then we're doing brown sugar. So the brown sugar is basically 2 cups of light brown sugar. Mix that in here. And it said to do it on medium-high speed for 2 minutes. Okay, now that we've done our butter and our sugar, we're going to add in 2 eggs. We're going to do one at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and beat 1 egg in, make sure that's all incorporated really well, and then I'll add in the second egg. We're going to add in the vanilla and mix that in, and that is 1.5 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. Okay, so that's mixing in. While that mixes in, the next step we're going to do is we're going to turn the mixer off and add the flour mixture to the bowl. So I've got my flour mixture here. Okay, so I'm going to turn the mixer off, and then I'm going to add the flour mixture, and I'm going to mix it on medium until the flour is mixed in. And then I'm going to turn the mixer on high for a few seconds to pull the dough together, and it will be chunky. chocolate chips. We have 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I'm going to mix those in and be on high for about 5 seconds to thoroughly and quickly mix them in. Okay, so we have our cookie dough right here. I've mixed in the chocolate chips, and now we will put them on the cookie sheet. Okay, so now we are going to spoon the cookie dough onto the cookie sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and get a spatula and get all this so I can spoon it out. Alright, so I'm just going to get all my dough. I'm just going to use the spatula to get it all off the sides. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take my scoop and I'm going to scoop them onto my sheet. And you can just kind of do whatever size you want to do. I'm probably just doing like medium sized. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven at 350, and I'm going to bake them for 10 to 11 minutes. Now, it depends on the size, so if they're a bit bigger, you have to do them longer. Sometimes 10 to 11 minutes is not enough, and I have to do it a little bit longer, but just, you know, however long it takes, just keep a close eye on it. It's going to depend on your oven as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven. Alright, thanks guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will go and try out this recipe as well. I will leave the recipe down below in the description, and I hope that you'll give it a try and let me know in the comments if you try this recipe and how you like it. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos. If you like this video and you like cookie recipes, feel free to like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Alright, bye guys.